Welcome back to our channel, guys. In this video we're gonna see about a huge potential profitable thing, so just watch video carefully and you can make $1 million with this platform, guys. Okay, so watch video carefully and make money with us, guys. Okay, so this is our official Telegram channel, Cryptotechviewz, guys. Okay, you all know that. So if you are not yet joined in our channel, just join it immediately, so only you will be getting all the updates instantly, guys. Okay, so let's get into the video, guys. Okay, you all know that today's videos, just you can make millions of dollars. Okay, but the timing will be 1 to 2 years. Okay, that will be the timing. Okay, so you can make more than $1 million. Okay, so by the timing will be 1 to 2 year. I'll show you how you can make that, guys. Okay, so I'm just opening, so I'm just sharing the link in the description, guys. Okay, so just yeah, so first of all, this is a thing, guys. Okay, magic eden dot marketplace, this is a thing. So degen sweepers, this is the best ever NFT, Solana based NFT. Okay, marketplace is available in the history of crypto. So you all know that the in Magic Eden lot of NFTs are available, more than 1,000 2,000 NFTs are available. Okay, but degen sweepers is the best one. Okay, degen sweepers is the best one, and in the DJ Super you can make millions of dollars, guys. Okay, I will show you how you can make that. So right now the floor price of DJ Super is 13.5 Solana, guys. Okay, 13 point means that will be approximately more than $400 will be coming. Okay, around right now. Okay, so here I'll show you. Okay, so here price low to high. Okay, it is given. Okay, so minimum if you want to own an NFT, okay, minimum if you want to buy an NFT, here you should spend 13.5 Solana minimum. Okay, 13.5, 13.85. After that you have to give more Solana, okay, to buy that. Okay, so if you are buying and holding a one Solana for 2 years, I'll show you how you can make that. Okay, so right now Solana price will be $30. Okay, around $30. So this is floor price. So a lot of NFTs are available, you can check that. I'm just rare to common, I'm just clicking on rare to common. How rare is, yes, I'm just clicking on rare to common. Yes, here's the thing, guys. You can, a lot of people see here, a lot of people are selling 200 Solana, 30 Solana, 25 Solana, 36 Solana, a lot of. Okay, so here if you are own an NFT, how much you can make in future, up to more than 1 or 2 years you should hold this NFT. Okay, more than 1 or 2 years you should hold this NFT, so you can make millions. I'll show you how you can make that. Okay, so here you should buy an NFT as you wish. Okay, as you like, which NFT you like, you can buy and hold. Okay, so this is the thing, magic eden dot degen sweepers, this is the one. And another one I'll show you. Okay, this is the thing, magic eden dot renty rebel. Okay, this is another one. Okay, so this is also available in Magic Eden. So here the floor price is just 2 Solana, guys. Okay, floor is just 2 Solana, but there is 13.5 already, it's went up. Okay, but here it's just 2 Solana. Okay, so here also he's here rare to common. Okay, a lot of people are selling number on NFT. See here, 100 Solana, 50 Solana, 500 Solana. A lot of people are selling. See here, 3.25 Solana, 66 Solana. A lot of people are selling, guys. Okay, so that much potential one. I'll show you from low to high. Price low to high, I'm just giving. Yeah, this is the thing, guys. Okay, so from 2 Solana you can buy that. Okay, 2 Solana will be around $60 right now. Okay, so if you want to own an NFT, right now the price will be $60. $60 you can make 1 Solana. Okay, so after that every NFT you have to give some more Solana to buy that. Okay, so which Solana you like, you can make that. Okay, so I'll show you how we can make $1 million, guys. Okay, so each marketplace you should hold one NFT. I'm just okay, more than also you can hold, but minimum one in Magic Eden one, sorry, in Degen Sweepers one, and in Renty Rebel one. Okay, both of 2 Solana, 2 NFTs you are holding. Okay, so I'll show you how you can make that. Okay, so I'm just opening the calculator. So right now example I'm showing. Okay, 13.5 Solana in Degen Sweepers. Okay, 13.5 into $30. Okay, so $405 around. If you want to own an NFT in Degen Sweepers, you need $405, and after that, here $60. Okay, so 405 plus $60 equal to 465. Okay, around $500 if you are spending. Okay, around $500 if you are spending, you can have 2 NFT. Okay, but the future value more than 1 or 2 year. Okay, I am just telling about 2024 to 25. Okay, so that time probably Solana price will be, you all know that right now is $30. The all-time high is $260. So in 2025 the price of the Solana will be more than $1,000. Okay, you all know that, more than $1,000. So just think about it. See here, $1,000. Okay, $1,000. Okay, so and the floor price also it will go higher, because that marketplace NFTs are very best NFTs in this marketplace. Okay, Solana based one. Okay, so the floor price of the NFTs also will get higher. Okay, so 1,000 into 1,000. See here, $10 lakh. Okay, $10 lakh, around $1 million with one NFT. Okay, one NFT you can make $1 million with these kind of NFTs. Okay, minimum one NFT you can make. More than that, it's up to you. It's up to you, the potential of the NFT you are holding and the future of the NFT, all the things based on that you can get more. Okay, so with one minimum NFT you can make $1 million. Okay, if you are holding 2 NFT, you can make $2 million, or around 0.5. Around this similarity you can make $1.5, $1.7 million. Okay, so minimum around $1.7 million you can make with these 2 NFTs, guys. Okay, so that much potential on is this Degen Sweepers and Rentiable NFTs, guys. These are all Solana based NFTs. So the future of the Solana based NFTs here. So just hold. Okay, so just buy 2 NFTs from the marketplace and just hold it for 2 years, guys. Okay, you can make millions of dollars with this platform, guys. Okay, so I hope you understand the things about the Degen Sweepers. So thank you so much. We'll see you in a great video.